So this is a pair of our, let's say, low-top sneaker, again featherweight style. They're super light, that's what I call featherweight. Here again we have an aniline dye and then hand-painted in the end. That's why you have this uneven structure of things, and inside you see the original color of the horse leather that's used. So this is something that's very dear to me actually. Then going forward again we have the same thing, this time just not hand painted, but we have our symbiosis treatment on the sole again, much like in that orange pair that we saw before. On these particular ones there's actually a horse leather with a lining of pork leather, but I really like this sort of structure that you have in there. This makes it very special in my point. Same thing here, this time with a wild python and a shark tooth sole.
That's nice. What determines what you choose? Like you said, you use pork leather in those shoes. What determines why you would use that?
It's always, every shoe is different, right? So I'm putting the leathers together, I'm putting the colors together, and for this particular one,
was it like a texture that you're looking for, or was it like a certain?
I love that on pork leather that you see this little holes in there. I really choose for every shoe what I want for the outer, for the lining, for the upper, for the coloring, to see where we're going.
For the black pair, there's obviously a lot of like animal inspiration and influence.
Yes.
On it. You were talking about like shark teeth, python.
Yes.
How do you kind of take that approach to each shoe? Because obviously nature is part of everything, but how do you decide when it's like a lot more animal focused in a sense?
So it's very funny they ask this question because I've never thought about it. Like I just naturally call the things like this, I suppose. But it makes complete sense since I'm so focused on natural, let's say, flow of lines and how, things are created just by, unintendedly, just by how the nature of things. So I don't know, when I look at something, I'm just thinking, all right, it looks like a shark tooth for me. I don't know, it's just what I feel like. And then the wild python kind of goes really well with this. So in this case, I just thought that's the best combination for that sneaker. But it's really, I never really thought about it. True, I'm giving all these kind of references that I didn't know.